So the remaining amount that needs to be transferred is 1,000 pesos. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Hello.
Okay.
So can you verify the last reference number for us to complete the transfer?
483 574.
Okay, sir. So right now, sir, all the amount was transferred right now on your account, okay?
Okay.
So the total amount that was transferred on your Metrobank card is 2,236 pesos 76 centavos, and we avoid here for us to be charged for the transfer fee because we make it manually, okay?
Okay.
So right now, sir, is there anything else we can help you with?
Metrobank texted me that there's an ongoing transaction at Shopee Philippines. Are you scamming me? I am not going to pretend that I did not know this, but I did, and I do. Unfortunately, I was driving and I was not able to focus on the task at hand. Let me explain. Last Friday, a girl called me and she said she's from BPI. And she said that I had some unpaid dues which is viable for penalties. And then I told her no, I don't have unpaid dues. Instead, I had an overpayment when I tried to close that account. And then she offered me that she can transfer that overpayment, that certain amount, to my other card. I was excited for it because some years ago, I went to Metrobank and asked if I can transfer my BPI credit card balance to my Metrobank credit card. They said they can, but the amount, that certain amount, for example, that 10,000 pesos, I should also have a 10,000 balance in my Metrobank. Okay? Metrobank card. Unfortunately, the amount was too big. The amount that I have there, the balance also that I have here, is small. So it was not possible. So anyway, I went on with my life. I tried paying for that credit card. And I did. We did. Marge and I closed that card. And in fact, when BPI called me that I was up for a new card because it was expiring last 2019, and then I told them, no, I'm no longer extending my credit card there. I'm gonna cut it literally, and that account I'm gonna cut it. They agreed. They had no problems with it. So I cut it. I cut my card. They had no problems with it. So fast forward to today. I told her that I cannot give her the details because my card was at the office and I haven't memorized my numbers. So she said, okay, sir, I'm gonna call you on Monday. So Sunday we went there. We went to the office. I got the card and waited for her call today. I received her call about 2 p.m. and then we talked. The girl was very convincing. She said the conversation will be recorded for quality purposes, and then she asked for the card number of this credit card. Okay, so what made me trust her was she memorized about 4 digits of this card. Now I don't know if some of the numbers are template numbers of some cards, but she gave me about 4 digits. So this is already an expired card. So I told her this first 6 digits. I told her 543309, and then she continued, "Sir, sorry, is it 093925?" When she said that, I told myself, she knows my card. Maybe she does work at BPI. So I gave her the digits. I gave her the valid through date. I even gave her this CVV card, a CVV number. And then after that, she told me, "Okay, sir, I'm gonna process this now. My supervisor will call you so that he can connect with Metrobank and then update you with the amounts, with the transfer and everything." So I waited. Here comes the supervisor. He was speaking. His English was quite convincing, like the girl. I think they practiced that scam. I don't think I'm the first victim, and I don't think I will be the last one. I got scammed only a little amount. It's only 882 pesos, about $40. But it's not. What pissed me off was not the amount, but uh, the trust. You know, I trusted. I trusted the banks. I uh, I let my guard down. Moving forward, I hope you guys will be more wary, will be more vigilant. Do not scare away from those questions, from those calls. Do not be intimidated and do not trust easily. Okay? What I want you to do is this is what I will do moving forward is if somebody calls me about those details or about somebody calls me from the bank asking for my loan or for my card or for anything related, I am going to ask for that person's social media account or accounts. Trust me, I will do that. I will definitely do that. And I will not continue on with a call if I cannot see any of their social media accounts. I can't believe I got scammed. When you see people being scammed online, you think to yourself, that will not happen to me. I am very vigilant. But when you get the call, they sound so convincing. The banks should do something about this. The government should do something about this. There's already a movement that's being made about, the SIM registration and the unified ID system. Politics has been stopping those movements. There are some rich people who don't want, you know, who don't want their hidden riches to be broadcasted to the expense of the poor people, to the expense of the ordinary citizen. I got scammed. Oh my goodness.
Bali, wala naman po kayong tinatransact na certain amount from Shopee talaga, sir. no?
Wala ma'am.
Ito po ay mga unrecognized po at unauthorized transaction, tama?
Yes ma'am. I hope this is a lesson for you guys. Please be more careful. And by the way, I've already asked Metrobank to close that debit account. It's my salary account, so I'm calling first thing in the morning my company to no longer transfer money to that account.